Here's
the tree. Here's the top. Open it up and on Santa will pop. Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas. Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas. I'll sing.
Okay, go back over there and sing
I'll see it.
8 Little Reindeer.
No, I'll see it.
There's the step stool step. Okay.
I'll see.
Whoa.
Ouch. That hurts. I'll see.
Look at all the presents under the tree. Ooh.
Hey, Daddy.
Hey, Woody.
Go back under the tree and tell us what Santa's gonna bring you.
A pig truck. A pig truck and a purple car. Okay.
Do you like Santa, Evan?
Yeah.
Tell us what Santa's gonna bring Emery.
Diaper.
No.
Huh?
He's gonna bring Emery diapers?
Mm-hmm.
Why?
Us.
Have you been naughty or nice?
Nice.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Maybe not.
Okay, say Merry Christmas to everybody. We love you. Say love you.
Oh,